Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Bigo Live account from your Android phone. If you're looking to uninstall the app and permanently remove your account, follow these simple steps. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Bigo Live account. Tap on the Bigo Live app to open it. Then tap on your Me icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear or settings icon in the top right corner to open your settings account. Now scroll down and look for the account management or delete account option. It might be on the privacy and security or a similar section. Now tap on delete account. Now you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the deletion process. Keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Confirm the account deletion by entering your password or following any additional security steps provided by Bigo Live. Tap delete or confirm to finalize. And that's it, your Bigo Live account will be deleted. Now to uninstall it, simply press the button, then tap on uninstall. Now again tap and hold the Bigo Live icon, select uninstall or drag it to uninstall option at the top of the screen. Confirm the installation, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Bigo Live account and uninstalled the app from your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.